Welcome to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. Today we just wrapped up installing the tie down on our wing, and I just wanted to share how we made that. Uh, and you ask, made a tie down? I know. A lot of you are going to tell me the new 701s are all plug and play. You just cleco, rivet, and move on to the next step. Well, we don't have that. So on our aircraft, this tie down was an option because we went with the streamlined fairings for the struts. So what I did was I got the drawing, brought the drawing into my Corel software, and drew the part. And then from there, I just moved it over to the laser. Now, there's different ways you could have done this. You could make paper templates. You could make poster board templates. What I did was I used a 1/4 inch acrylic. For me, it's convenient because I have the equipment to do that. If you don't have a laser, just use a paper or poster board material to make your templates and trace it out. So, we put the 1/4 inch in the laser, we cut it out. Then what I did was I laid it on top of the material, 61 T6, and used the transfer punch. I'll tell you what, transfer punches are great tools. If you have to locate a hole, they come in a set, and you just choose the size you need and just locate locate the area you need to drill. Great tool. I always recommend it. But anyway, I use a transfer punch and transfer the holes over. Take it over to drill press, drill the holes out, and then bring it back, and I cleco it and trace the outline of the shape of the tie down. Then take it to my bandsaw, cut it out, take it over to the belt sander, deburr it, and then get my small jewelry file and finish any rough edges. And then from there, we just take it over the wing, clamp it on the wing at the proper location, and drill, cleco, rivet. So that's how we got the tie down done. So I hope you found this interesting. If so, give us a like, subscribe below. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.